Hey guys, I want to show you this Blender add-on. It's called Vertex Color Tools, and this add-on will allow you to assign vertex colors to multiple objects with just one click. Let me show you the problem first. Here we have in Substance Painter a bunch of decals that I wanted to texture with different materials, but I did not want to have 1,000 material here because that's a nightmare. So if I go here to the ID map, you can see that every decal has a different vertex color. And then all I have to do is for every layer here, I can add a color selection mask, and then I can pick whatever decal that I want to assign the layer to, and that's it. Then you can have one material, one texture for multiple objects. Now, if you try to create these vertex colors in Blender, it will just take you forever and it is very painful. So I just created an add-on that solves that problem. So you can grab it from GitHub in this link. Unfortunately, I cannot have links in my video description because my channel is still new. So just search for Vertex Color Tools on GitHub and make sure you get the one by Hossein EJ, because I think there is multiple add-ons with the same name. And then you can go down here to the installation and click latest release and download this file. Once it's downloaded, you can go to Blender and just drag and drop it and click OK. To use the add-on, just press N and find fifth dimension. Then I'm going to add a bunch of cubes. And I'm going to make sure this is set to attribute to show the vertex color. Then I'm going to select everything and click randomize and click assign color. So this works by assigning the vertex color to the selection. If you select, for example, a face here, and then select all the objects, the vertex color will only apply to that face for this one cube. So I can show you here. You can see that it only changes for this face. And you can, of course, pick your own color and click assign. If you have a bunch of objects in your scene and you're trying to have them use less materials, you can assign one material to all of these cubes and then assign different vertex colors to each cube and then export them to Substance Painter and just have one texture for multiple objects. The way to do it in Blender is very slow. You have to select an object, go to Vertex Paint and make sure that this paint mask is selected. Then you have to pick a color. Then you have to click Ctrl X and then go back and you see it assigned it. I find it quite slow, especially that I work with decals and it's a nightmare to go for each decal and do this Vertex Paint default process. So that's why I created the add-on and I hope it's useful.